You read about AI agents, and the pitch sounds great. But when you sit down to deploy them, you end up staring at Docker documentation, scrolling through terminal errors, and hunting for API keys across 3 different providers. One Man Army is a cloud-hosted platform built to solve that exact problem. There are no servers to configure, and nothing installs on your machine. It also ships with complimentary AI access. That means you do not need to set up provider accounts or fund your own API balances just to get started. In this tutorial, we will log in, deploy your AI CEO, assign a business goal, and watch that CEO hire a specialized team to complete it. Skipping the technical setup allows you to focus your time on high-level strategy rather than server maintenance. Here is the One Man Army command dashboard, accessed directly through your web browser at app.onemanarmy.co. Right now, the workspace is entirely blank. The live status widgets show no active deployments. We will start by locating the module for Paperclip, which will serve as our AI commander. To deploy it, we simply answer a 3-question setup wizard. We establish a few basic parameters for how we want the commander to operate. Once we click Launch, the status indicator immediately updates to active. In under 2 minutes, an autonomous AI commander is running on your behalf, requiring 0 code. When assigning a mission, you are defining a high-level business objective that the commander will solve through a coordinated plan. Look at this UI input field. We provide a clear, specific directive. Build a 5-page website content plan for our upcoming launch. Paperclip acts as your project manager, taking that single goal and analyzing exactly what skills are needed to execute it. The commander determines this project requires 3 specific roles: a content writer, a designer, and a QA specialist. To proceed, review the proposed roster and click OK to approve the hire. No execution begins, and no AI credits are consumed until you give that manual green light. This request-to-hire system ensures that you remain in complete command of your operation at all times. With the team approved, the operation shifts from planning directly into execution. Here we see the parallel processing tracks for the operation. On the execution layer, our field operator, OpenClaw, begins pulling research and drafting the site copy. Simultaneously, Hermes runs on the memory layer. It monitors drafts to ensure your specific brand voice and client history are applied to the final text. Back on your dashboard, you can track their progress as the status updates roll in and the tasks are marked complete. And here is the final output, a finished multi-part document, fully formatted and ready to use. You spent about 30 seconds approving the team and the goal. The bots then handled the research, writing, and formatting required to produce the deliverable. Your operation is now running a complete stack. The work is planned by the commander, executed by the operator, and remembered by the specialist. With this task finished, the entire team drops back into standby, awaiting your next directive. You can also extend this command structure beyond your computer. Because the platform is cloud-hosted, you can assign tasks, review outputs, and approve new hires directly from your smartphone, wherever you are. In our next tutorial, we will show you how to connect your AI army directly to Telegram and Discord. This setup allows your business to function regardless of where you are located.